Hello everyone. Today's topic is Microsoft Azure Administrator Associate Training. Welcome to GoLogica. Now we discuss the Microsoft Azure Administrator Associate Certification course. Roadmap. About course. Prerequisites. Eligibility criteria. Roles, responsibilities, and salaries. Training program. Now we are discussing about the Microsoft Azure Administrator Associate course. The Microsoft Azure Administrator Associate Certification, AZ-104, is a highly sought-after credential for IT professionals aiming to validate their expertise in managing Azure environments. This course is designed to provide learners with the skills needed to implement, manage, and monitor identity, governance, storage, computing, and virtual networks in a cloud environment. Throughout the training, participants gain hands-on experience in configuring and managing Azure services, including virtual machines, networking, security, and databases. They will also learn about Azure Active Directory, AD, load balancing, and monitoring solutions, ensuring smooth cloud operations. This certification is ideal for system administrators, cloud engineers, and IT professionals looking to advance their careers in cloud computing. By enrolling in this course, candidates will prepare for the AZ-104 exam, which tests their ability to manage Azure subscriptions, secure identities, administer storage, and configure networking resources effectively. Upon successful completion, professionals can enhance their career prospects by qualifying for roles such as Azure Administrator, Cloud Engineer, or IT Operations Manager. This certification not only validates expertise, but also boosts employability in a competitive job market. Join the Microsoft Azure Administrator Associate Certification course today and take the next step toward mastering cloud administration with Azure. Prerequisites for Microsoft Azure Administrator course. Prerequisites for the Microsoft Azure Administrator Associate Certification, AZ-104. Training. Candidates should have basic knowledge of Azure services, networking, operating systems, and virtualization. Prior experience in IT administration, including managing on-premises or cloud-based infrastructure, is beneficial. Familiarity with PowerShell, Azure CLI, and security concepts is also recommended. While not mandatory, completing the Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, AZ-900 certification, can provide a strong foundation. Here are the eligibility criteria for the Microsoft Azure Training Basic IT Knowledge. Candidates should have a fundamental understanding of IT operations, including networking, security, and virtualization. Experience with Azure. Prior experience working with Microsoft Azure services is recommended but not mandatory. Understanding of networking concepts. Familiarity with networking concepts such as IP addressing, DNS, VPNs, and firewalls is beneficial. Knowledge of operating systems. Candidates should have experience with Windows and Linux operating systems for managing virtual machines and workloads. Familiarity with cloud computing. A general understanding of cloud computing concepts and services is preferred. Experience with PowerShell and CLI. Basic knowledge of PowerShell and Azure Command Line Interface, CLI, is advantageous for managing Azure resources. Identity and access management. Understanding of Active Directory and role-based access control, RBAC, is helpful. Storage management skills. Knowledge of different storage types like blob, file, and disk storage in Azure is recommended. Problem-solving skills. The ability to troubleshoot and resolve common cloud infrastructure issues is essential. No mandatory prerequisites. While prior certifications like Azure Fundamentals, AZ-900, can be helpful, they are not required to take the Azure Administrator, AZ-104 training. Here are the roles and salaries in Microsoft Azure course Azure Administrator, responsible for managing cloud services, including networking, security, and storage. Salary, $80,000, $120,000 per year. Cloud Engineer, designs, deploys, and maintains cloud infrastructure using Azure services. Salary, $90,000, $130,000 per year. Azure Security Administrator focuses on securing cloud environments, managing identities, and implementing compliance policies. Salary, $85,000, $125,000 per year. Systems Administrator manages on-premise and cloud-based IT infrastructure, ensuring seamless operations. Salary, $75,000, $110,000 per year. Network Administrator handles Azure-based networking solutions, including virtual networks and load balancing. Salary, $80,000, $115,000 per year. DevOps Engineer works on automation, CI/CD pipelines, and cloud deployment strategies using Azure. Salary, $100,000, $140,000 per year. Cloud Solutions Architect designs cloud solutions, ensuring scalability, security, and cost optimization. Salary, $120,000, $160,000 per year. IT Operations Manager oversees cloud operations, ensuring efficiency and security in Azure-based environments. Salary, $110,000, $150,000 per year. The last topic is training program. GoLogica offers a complete Microsoft Azure Administrator Associate training designed to provide you with the essential skills needed to excel in cloud administration. This course covers all key aspects of Azure, including identity management, virtual networking, storage solutions, security, and cloud governance. Through hands-on experience, you will gain a deep understanding of Azure services and how to efficiently manage cloud environments. As part of the training, you will learn to configure and monitor Azure resources, implement security measures, and optimize cloud performance. The GoLogica course prepares you for roles such as Azure Administrator, Cloud Engineer, IT Operations Manager, and Systems Administrator, providing the expertise required to succeed in these positions. Upon successful completion, you will receive a certification that validates your skills and enhances your career prospects in cloud computing. In addition to technical training, GoLogica offers resume-building assistance to highlight your new Azure skills and interview preparation to help you secure job opportunities. The course is designed for flexible learning, allowing you to study at your own pace with expert guidance available throughout. With GoLogica Microsoft Azure Administrator Associate Training, you will be fully prepared to tackle real-world cloud administration challenges and advance your career in the high-demand field of Azure cloud computing.